I'm returning to the bench to show you exactly how to do this shot. The first shot, shot number one, is sit down and then look forwards to where the camera is going to be. And then you move the camera around, grab it like that, and then I'm going to zoom into just the bench. Second shot is repeat that same movement, but make your next point. And then all you have to do is turn to face where the camera is going to be. And then move the camera around again. This time, I might even do an even tighter shot. And what I'll do is I'll check on my watch that I'm looking. Tilt it up a bit. Yep, now I'm was looking in that direction. Now I just turn to face you and make my amazing final point. You can do it. It's really simple.